Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Opera in your computer in a very simple way. How you can do it with just simply open any of your favorite browser like Chrome, any of your built-in browser. You can simply come over into the search option and you can simply search for Opera and click enter. After you're going to get the first website from Opera download, click on that. You're going to get the download option, click on download now. And it will going to start the opera setup.exe file downloading. After completing that, you're going to click on the folder icon and here is your opera setup. If you click on that 2 times, going to minimize all the background tabs right now, and it will going to click on check run when my computer starts. So better if you turn it off, you can simply open it by manually, so you don't need to worry about. Just click on accept and upgrade, click accept, and it will going to downloading the Opera in your computer system. And you can see that Opera is directly opened in our computer. You can simply see. So this is how we can simply download and install Opera. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.